Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image in 30 seconds. Yeah, so let's start now. And the name of the website is remove.bg. So this is remove from BG. Basically you can remove any background from an image from this site. So I have already downloaded this image, so let's try to remove the background from it. So you see it, you download the image. So this is the removed background image. So let me show you the original. This was the original image. This was the original image, and this is the one that we have removed the background. So in less than 30 seconds you can remove any image from this site, remove.bg.